In this video, we're going to look at changing the subject of an equation. With this example, we need to rearrange the formula n equals a minus bt to make t the subject. So I'll start by writing my equation down again, and I want to manipulate this to have t to equal something. So to start with, what I'm going to do is remove a. To do that, I need to subtract a to both sides. That will leave me with negative bt on the right-hand side of the equation and n minus a. Now I need to get rid of that negative b. Okay, so remember it's negative b multiplied by t, so I need to do the opposite, which is divide by negative b. Once I divide by negative b to both sides, the left-hand side, it'll give me positive a minus n all over b is equal to t. So then all I'm doing is flipping that around to have t the subject. In our second example here, we need to express q as the subject of E equals IR plus q over c. So what I want you to do is to pause the video now and have a go yourself at trying to attempt this before I go through an explanation. Okay, hopefully you've had a go at attempting that problem. Now I'm going to go through and show you. So I'll write my formula down again. And what I'm going to do to begin with, I need to move that IR to the left-hand side of the equation. To do that, I need to subtract both sides by IR. And that will give me E minus IR equals Q over C. Now, all I need to do is remove this C, and to do that, I need to multiply both sides by C. And I can leave this in factored form, because I need to multiply that whole side. I could just put C outside of the brackets. So Q is going to equal C, brackets E minus IR. In our final example here, we need to make y the subject of the equation x equals the square root of yp minus 1. So I'll start by writing my equation down again. Now what I need to do is remove the square root. And to do that, what I need to do is to square both sides of the equation. So what will that do on the left-hand side is make it x squared, but on the right-hand side, it just removes the square root. So I'm left with yp minus 1. Now I need to move that minus 1, and to do that, I need to add 1 to both sides. So that'll give me x squared plus 1 is equal to yp. And the final step here, I need to get rid of that p. So at the moment, it's y multiplied by p. So to do that, I need to divide both sides by p. Therefore, that will leave me with the equation y equals x squared plus 1 all over p.